In front of me is DOOGEE X80, and let me show you how to activate call waiting on the following device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon and select settings. Here click on call and accounts and select play or any other carrier that you have. Click on additional settings and you can smoothly activate or deactivate call waiting by tapping on the switcher. So as you can see, now it is turned on. If you want to deactivate it, just click on it again, and whenever it is turned off and you want to switch it on, just click on the same switcher, samely, just like that. So that would be all. This is how you can activate call waiting and also how you can deactivate it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.